Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel English with Aman. So today we have come to Humayun's tomb. So I'm at the same place right now and I have come with some of my friends out there. You can say they are my students as well. So his name is Sriram. So can you please tell me your name?
My name is Sriram.
Wonderful. And what's your name?
My name is Sundar.
So they both have come with me just to practice their English, and I have brought here just to make them talk to the foreigners, talk to the other people as well. But the problem that I'm getting from both of them is that feeling scared. So whenever they are going to talk to the foreigners or whenever they are going to talk to anybody out there, they are not feeling confident. So this is the same problem which is faced by almost all the Indians out there. So आज हम करने वाले क्या है? I'm gonna ask a couple of questions in Hindi, not Hindi. I'll ask all in English. So they'll be answering all my questions. Similarly, I'll asking some questions to this boy as well, and let's see how they are going to respond all my questions asked by me. All right. So as you have told me, your name is Sriram. Sriram, when did you visit here?
I visit here.
I visited here.
I visited here at 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock. So Sriram visited here at 12 o'clock. Let me ask the same question to this boy as well. How did you come here? Like when did you come here? कब आया आप यहाँ पे?
I did come here 4 o'clock.
I came here at 12 o'clock.
I came.
So are you guys friends to each other? Are you guys friends?
Yes, I are friends.
So how is your feeling over here? How are you feeling over here?
My feeling is very good, but I confuse how to talk to another peoples.
See, I always tell each and every student, even in my class or the people, those who want to learn English, they always ask me, sir, how to improve English, how to talk to the others. So one recommendation which has always been there given by me, that do not feel afraid, do not feel scared while talking to anyone. Just go to them, approach each and everybody out there and take a permission. If you are feeling that we cannot talk to him, we cannot talk to any person out there without taking permission, then go and ask for the permission. If they are allowing you, if they are giving you permission, then you can start having a conversation. So as you can see around you, there are multiple people, right? There are a lot of people, those who are roaming around you, those who are taking pictures, some of them making our videos, they are expressing their thoughts, they are viewing the pictures as well. And this is one of the biggest monument out there, which is known as Humayun's tomb, actually, which is in Hindi Humayun ka Maqbara. I don't know what's famous in it and why it is given the name this and that. I'm not sure about it, but I'm here just to make them speak English. So can you guys if I'm gonna give you Hindi sentence out there, can you make right now?
Yes.
So basically I'm gonna give a very simple sentence. जैसे आप अभी बैठे हुए हैं, then how would you say कि मैं बैठा हुआ हूँ? I'm sitting over here. I'm
sitting in here.
आपको बोलना है कि बहुत सारे लोग अपनी पिक्चर ले रहे हैं, मतलब कि लोग फोटो खींच रहे हैं. कैसे बोलेंगे आप?
Peoples are take a
Peoples cannot be used here. You can say people only. People term is already a plural form. Okay, so you can use only people. So what do you say? लोग यहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं.
peoples are
I'm again saying, do not say peoples. It's people. Though people's word is also okay, but not in its term. Okay, so you can say people. अब यहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं ना, you can say like घूमने को यहाँ पे explore लगा दो आप, roaming लगा दो आप, stroll लगा दो, walking sometimes can also be used. Okay, so आपको बोल रहे हैं कि लोग यहाँ पे घूम रहे हैं. How would you say?
people are around
Enjoying their lives. You can say people are exploring this monument, exploring each and everything. That's how you can say. Okay, now abhi, like after this video, I'm gonna take you to the people. They will definitely be foreigners. You will just go to him or go to her. If it is a male or female, does not matter. What matters, you are gonna talk to them. आपको जाकर के बात करना है. You will simply say, excuse me sir, if it is a male, and if it is a man, if it is a female, so, excuse me ma'am, can I take your couple of minutes? Can I take your couple of minutes? And अगर आप ये sentence नहीं बोल पा रहे, then you can use the easiest way, and that is, can I talk to you for a moment? Can I talk to you for a moment? And if they allow, if they give you permission, yes, you can. Yeah, yes, you can talk to me. So you can ask their name as well. So what's your name, by the way? जब आपको नाम पूछना पड़ेगा, कैसे पूछेंगे? Let's suppose I'm a foreigner. I'm that guy. How would you ask my name?
What is your name, by the way?
That's the way you need to ask one's name. किसी का भी नाम पूछना, simply, what is your name? And that person will definitely respond to you by letting you guys know their name. That let's suppose कि मैंने अपना नाम ले लिया. So my name is Aman. or I am Aman. Then your next question should be where he or she belongs to, कि वो आए कहाँ से, और where he or she is फ्रॉम, कहाँ से वो. लेट्स सपोज कि मैं वो पर्सन हूँ, मुझसे पूछो आप कहाँ से हो.
Where are you from?
सिंपली वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम.
From.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा कोई और सेंटेंस जो आपको पता हो. वेयर डू यू बिलोंग टू, where do you hail from. So there are multiple sentences, but the thing is that you are going to use only one of them, which is quite easy for you, so that you can confidently talk to him or talk to her. Okay, so आपने मुझसे सीधा पूछा वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम. मैं कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड देने वाला हूँ. आई एम फ्रॉम, लेट्स सपोज वियतनाम. आई एम फ्रॉम इंडिया. आई एम फ्रॉम इंग्लिया. देन अनदर क्वेश्चन क्या हो सकता है. आपने, यू आर अवेयर ऑफ माई नेम, यू आर अवेयर ऑफ माई सिटीज और द प्लेस वेयर आई कम फ्रॉम. नाउ यू कैन आस्क मी, सर कब आप यहाँ पर आए. हाउ वुड यू आस्क.
When did you come here?
When did you come here? ये तो बहुत इजी सवाल है ना बच्चों. जो भी मुझे वीडियोस के थ्रू सुन रहे हैं, आपको नाम पूछना है, आपको उनसे हाल चाल पूछना है. यू कैन आस्क देयर प्लेसेस एज वेल वेयर दे कम फ्रॉम, एंड यू कैन आस्क अबाउट द फीलिंग, हाउ दे हैव फेल्ट सो फार, कि जब से वो इंडिया में आए हैं, लेट्स सपोज वो यहाँ पे विजिट कर रहे हैं, तो कैसा फील कर रहे हैं. तो आपने पूछा कि आप कब आए हो, आप सिंपली कह सकते हो व्हेन डिड यू कम हियर, व्हेन डिड यू विजिट हियर.
Visit here.
ये हो गया कि आपने टाइम पूछ लिया. लेकिन आपको पूछना पड़े यहाँ क्यों आए हो. देन हाउ वुड यू से, आप यहाँ क्यों आए हो.
Why did you come here?
Why did you come here is absolutely okay, but the problem is that जब आप कहते हैं ना कि why did you come here, it sounds awkward. ये बहुत अजीब लगता है. You're asking, you're questioning that guy कि भाई आया क्यों है. ये नहीं पूछना है. आपको पूछना है what brings you here. What brings you here. Now the term bring का मतलब होता है लाना. तो हम ये पूछना चाह रहे हैं what are the things or what were the things that attracted you to be here or to come here. कि ऐसे क्या चीजें था जो आपको खींच लाया भाई, ऐसे क्या कारण था जहाँ पे आए आप. तो what brings you here.
What's
वो आंसर देगा या देगी. आई केम हियर फॉर एक्सप्लोरिंग द प्लेसेस, आई केम हियर फॉर एंजॉयिंग माई लाइफ, आई केम हियर फॉर माई वेकेशन एंड ब्ला ब्ला. So these are the sentences that you can always use when you are holding a conversation with anybody out there. और ये अप्रोच करने का सबसे बढ़िया तरीका, कैन आई टेक योर कपल ऑफ मिनट्स, कैन आई टॉक टू यू फॉर अ मोमेंट. फिर उसका नाम पूछो आप, उससे आप पूछो कहाँ से हो आप यहाँ पे कब आए पूछो. फिर आप ये सवाल लगाना कि भैया लाइक व्हाट आर द रीजन क्या है that has brought you here, कि क्या रीजन है जो आपको यहाँ पे खींच लाया. फिर वो बताएगा कि हम इस पर्पज से आए हैं. फिर आप एक लास्ट सवाल पूछ सकते हो कि आप यहाँ पे कब तक स्टे करने वाले हो. सो हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू बी हियर इन इंडिया और हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू स्टे हियर. कैसे बोलोगे.
How long you stay here?
हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू स्टे हियर.
How long will you stay here?
अगर आपको स्टे में दिक्कत हो रहा है, जो ठहरने का फील दे रहा है, देन यू कैन यूज द वर्ड स्पेंड, कि कितना समय बिताएंगे आप यहाँ पे. हाउ लॉन्ग विल यू स्पेंड हियर, कितना समय बिताएंगे आप.
Stand here.
समझ आए. सो ये अप्रोच है. सो गाइज दिस वाज एक्चुअली द लिटिल स्मॉल वीडियो ऑफ आवर्स दैट आई वांटेड टू शो यू गाइज कि आई नॉट आई ओनली, लाइक ऑल ऑफ माय स्टूडेंट्स आई केम, वी बेसिकली 4 to 5 people came over here. So we left our house in the morning and it took around 2.5 hours to be here. हमें 2 से 2.5 घंटे यहाँ पे लग गए हैं. But yes, we are doing great over here. We are talking to the people. We have shot so many videos as well. We have taken multiple photos with the foreigners and some other people as well. And this is what I wanted to show you. If you have any query, any doubt, anything that you want to ask, do let me know in the comment section below. Till then, bye bye. This is Aman Kumar signing off everybody. Thank you so much.